Your support queue has hundreds of tickets titled Help, Question, or Issue. Agents waste minutes figuring out what each one is about before they can start solving it. This guide shows you exactly how to fix that with the set subject macro action in Zendesk. Vague ticket subjects create a chain reaction of workflow problems. Search returns hundreds of unrelated results. Queue views cannot filter by topic, and weekly reports become noise. Every minute an agent spends figuring out what a ticket is about is a minute not spent solving it. Before building your first macro, confirm 3 things. You have a Zendesk support team plan or hire, you have admin permissions or a role with macro creation access, and you understand the basics of ticket placeholders. Agents without admin access can still create personal macros for their own use. Head to Admin Center, click Workspaces in the left sidebar, then choose Agent Tools and Macros. This is the central hub for all your team macros. Click Create Macro to get started. Give your macro a name that describes exactly what it does. Add urgent prefix to subject tells agents precisely when to use it. A vague name like subject macro forces agents to guess, and guessing leads to the wrong macro being applied. In the action section, open the dropdown and select Set Subject. This action replaces the entire subject line with whatever text you type. To keep the original ticket title in your new subject, include the placeholder ticket.title in your format string. Placeholders pull live data from the ticket into your subject line automatically. The 4 most useful ones are ticket.title for the current subject, ticket.id for the unique number, ticket.requester.name for the customer, and ticket.group.name for the assigned team. These 4 formats cover most workflows. Add an urgency tag as a prefix. Prepend the ticket ID for easy cross-reference. Tag by department for routing. Or use a fully standardized format for formal support queues. You can also combine any of these using multiple placeholders in one format string. After saving your macro, test it on a ticket that is not customer-facing. Verify the subject updates to exactly what you expect. All placeholders show real data and not the raw placeholder text, and email notifications sent after applying the macro reflect the new subject line. Support teams use the set subject action in 5 core ways: prepending the ticket ID for easy cross-reference in conversations, marking urgency with tags like urgent or high, routing by department tag like billing or tech, cleaning up proactive outreach emails, and enforcing a standard naming format for cleaner analytics. 4 issues come up most often. If the subject shows a comment instead of the title, check that the subject field is visible to end users in Admin Center. If you see no subject, the ticket has no public comment yet. If a trigger fires before your macro, check execution order in your trigger list, and always use double curly braces, not single. Eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk and handles categorization, tagging, and routing automatically without agents touching a single macro. You write routing rules in plain English, Eesel AI applies them to every incoming ticket, and you go from setup to live in minutes. Stop training agents on which macro to use. Try Eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required, and setup takes minutes.